Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you looking to learn how to hide TikToks you liked? In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to keep your liked videos private. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to the Interactions category and tap on Liked Videos. Step 7. Once in the Liked Videos settings, select Only Me to hide your liked TikToks from others. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your liked videos remain private and are not visible to other TikTok users. We understand that privacy is important, and this guide will help you maintain control over your TikTok activity. We hope you find this guide helpful in managing your TikTok privacy settings. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your enhanced privacy on TikTok.